Oh, first fish of the morning. We were down here a couple of weeks ago and we did absolutely fantastic on the Tailor. The conditions are almost identical. Overcast day with, I think the swell's only about 1 meter. So yeah, very, very similar and all that. And yeah, it's back on indeed. Just got that, see the fish coming in now. It's just around a bit of a weed, so hopefully Scott might be able to grab it and bring it in. So it'll be good. Just coming up on the beach now, Scott's grabbing it. Oh, it's only a small Tailor. Still well and truly sized, but yeah, not nearly like the thumpers we'll catch the other day, but hopefully the big boys are around. Oh, Scott, are you on? Scott, are you on or you got weed?
No, actually I'm on a weed.
Oh, he's got weed. Thanks, mate. I was saying it was getting a bit sunny, you know, so now a good hat protects my scud. Probably the most important thing, eh?
It is. A bit of an overcast day.
Bit of an overcast day. You do still need a hat. Oh, what again? Jesus Christ! That barely even touched the water then, guys. Bloody hell, this spot is on fire for Tailor this morning. Jesus Christ. You know, some mornings it's just on. Go the stick baits. And good sized fish as well.
Nice bend in the orbiter rod as well.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful bend in the orbiter rod. So. And there we go. That's it. Get a load of that. Gotta love it. 2 Tailor down within 5 minutes. And I'm probably about 3 or 4 casts, so it's not bad. So I'll get this one put on ice and hopefully get another one. What do you reckon, Scott?
Yeah, let's get to it.
Let's get to it. Bloody hell, it's on fire. Go the zip bait. But you know, even taking a little bit of drag, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. I didn't think I was meant to be working today. We all decided to take a day off to come up for a bit of a fish because the weather was just awesome. Worked out well, I reckon, so. Oh. Tailor came off at the beach. At least I don't need to de-hook it. That's awesome. That's 3 now. Hopefully Scott can get one. That'll make 4.
I don't know, you seem to have all the luck today.
That's it. Pretty good session so far.
Oh, you can't complain with times like this, can you?
That's it. Yeah, I'll get this one put in the esky and hopefully get another one. Yep. Come on. Well, Scott, about time. I'm going to get my little back out there to hopefully get another one. Oh! Oh! On as well! Double hookup!
Look at that.
Oh, I dropped it! Come on!
He's following, he'll come. What a prime West Australian Tailor. Beautiful.
That's painful. It dropped at the last second. It just shows you're on there thick and heavy, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Get the little back out there and get another one. Alright, how long do you give it? That's not a... Oh! On again! You're gonna love it, eh? Morning for Tailor. As many as you want. You're gonna love it. Oh, it's taking drag. What a good fish. What an awesome fish. Hey Scott, hurry up and get your lure back in the water. This is absolutely fantastic. It's going off. Hopefully this one doesn't drop it. It's got to be the biggest one of the day, I reckon. It's, you know, all caught around a bit of seaweed as well. It seems to have the most power anyway. Taking the most drag. No! 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 Oh! Bloody hell! Ah! dropping at the beach.
Oh, plenty more in the sea.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, it teaches me a lesson. Try and sink those hooks. Set them in.
What's the second time into that camera now?
Second fish I've lost. That's painful. Considering it's probably the biggest fish of the day, I reckon it was taking the most drag, so...
Yeah. That's life.
It is life, eh? But I reckon, get it out, and I reckon I'll probably be on pretty soon. Pretty soon. Come on. Oh, that's painful when you lose fish right on the beach, eh, Scott?
Yeah, well,
What can you do, eh?
set the hooks, Cameron. Set the hooks.
Set the hooks, eh? You can't outfish me.
Change lures up straight away.
Oh! No! Again!
Another one gone.
That's the third one that I'm pretty sure has dropped off the hook now at the beach. It's painful, isn't it?
Oh
Oh,
well.
That's it, we'll get back into it, eh?
And I'll stop spots because I passed over here.
Yeah, I mean, you
Amateur
want that.
hour.
You absolutely want that. Jay, oh yeah, Scott, I'm still a bit devastated about that big fish I lost off the beach. Still, it doesn't, oh. This one's still taking a bit of drag though. Yeah, bloody hell. Just on fire, isn't it, Scott?
It is.
Absolutely on fire. It's thick as blowies. Woo! Gotta love it. You know, it's times like this when you've actually taken a day off work, you say, it was actually
Well worth it.
Yeah, well worth doing it. So,
Are you lose this one, Cameron? Have you sunk the hooks?
I have. Oh yes, I've set the hooks in, but I'm pretty sure I've taken this to the weed. So I've got a bit of weed around the line as well. So now that's making my life a bit more difficult. But that's. And check out that, guys. Ugh. Another prime West Australian Tailor, and he's a stonker, an absolute stonker, Scott.
Yeah.
Gotta love it. Woo! Hey Scott, do you even know how to hook a fish?
Nah, not yet, mate.
I think I've just got the lure of the day or something. It just seems to be working like dynamite. So, oh well, get this fella in. Oh no, it dropped in the last second. What are the chances? Hey Scott, do I even know how to set hooks?
No, probably not.
Obviously not. Oh well, off to the next fish. Yeah, I'm on. I'm on. Yeah, isn't that taking a bigger drag, Scott?
Yeah. And now these Tailor are absolutely loving it. They're frothing over it.
Hey Scott, how about I grab your fish for you?
Yeah, maybe grab the fish. Oh, she's only a little one.
But still not a bad Tailor.
Not a bad one. How's that?
It's been a great morning out, I reckon, Scott.
Great morning.
You know, Tailor fishing's just lots of fun, chucking lures around. It's not just chucking bait in the water.
Nah.
Chucking lures around, it's fun.
Keeps
Good
you
ex-
active.
That's it, it's good fun. Anyway guys, like and subscribe and we'll see you on the next adventure. Have a
you
good
later.
one.